If you are planning a wedding in Georgetown, Round Rock, Cedar Park, or anywhere in Williamson County, you'll need to apply for a marriage license through the Williamson County Clerk. But you do not have to pay the full local price, and you absolutely do not have to wait the standard 72 hours to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a licensed professional counselor here in Texas. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact 2026 process for Williamson County, what documents to bring, and the state-approved legal loophole that will save you $60. First, let's talk about the exact local cost. Currently, the standard fee for a marriage license at the Williamson County Clerk's office is $82. However, if you complete an approved 8-hour premarital course, like the official Twogether in Texas program we provide at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to deduct $60 from your state fees. That brings your total out-of-pocket cost at the clerk's office down to just $22. Beyond the financial savings, there is a massive time-saving benefit. Under Texas state law, when the Williamson County Clerk hands you your marriage license, you are strictly required to wait 72 hours before your ceremony can legally take place. But if you hand them our Together in Texas certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that 72-hour wait. You could legally get married the very same day. To claim your $60 discount and waive the waiting period, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone, tablet, or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick up right where you left off. It's only $19.97. There are absolutely no hidden fees, and your official certificate is generated for you instantly the second you finish. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must go together in person. Please note, a lot of older websites list the old downtown courthouse, but you actually need to go to the new Williamson County Administration Building located at 1848 Texas Trail in Georgetown. Hand the clerk your printed Cadenza Counseling certificate, valid government-issued photo IDs like driver's licenses or passports, and know your social security numbers. The county also strictly prefers cash payments and will not accept bills larger than $20 or personal checks. They will verify your certificate, apply your $60 discount, and issue your active license on the spot. To claim your $60 Williamson County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Together in Texas course today. You can finish it at your own pace and have your certificate ready in hours. If you have any specific questions about the Williamson County marriage license process, drop them in the comments below, and I'll make sure they get answered. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding.